Hi everyone, I'd like to take the time to introduce you to a platform called Seesaw. Seesaw is a two-way communication app that allows students to share the work they are doing with their peers, teachers, and even family members. Teachers can also post assignments and announcements through Seesaw. So I'd like to lead you through a little instructional tutorial as I've built a mock class called Miss Harlan's First Grade, and we have a sample student in this class. So the screen you're viewing right now is the announcements page where I, as the teacher, have posted some announcements for my students. Scrolling down, let's read over the ISTE standards for education leaders that are covered through Seesaw. 3.1.C, model digital citizenship by critically evaluating online resources, engaging in civil discourse online, and using digital tools to contribute to positive social change, which we are engaging online. As the teacher, I have the ability to not let students see messages from their parents until I have approved those messages, and not let students post until I have approved those messages. So everything is secure and goes through me as the teacher first. And the second standard is 3.4.D, establish partnerships that support the strategic vision, achieve learning priorities, and improve operations. So when we go further into the purposes, which we're going to cover next, you'll see how operations of the classroom are improved. The three main purposes that I see Seesaw covering are student engagement. Students are able to post what they're working on, and really that can be a motivator for them. And then family involvement in student learning that brings the learning from school to home. And then organization. Seesaw is more personal than emails and more organized than paper notes. So that covers the announcements we have posted. Another cool feature of Seesaw is the activities page. I can record myself doing some activities, or I can even use some of the Seesaw's resources, and this can be more of a blended learning format. And then another feature is the journal. I have my sample student who's posted a picture of themselves on the first day of school, and I or their parent or their peer can comment like I've done. I said, "I'm so glad you're here," and I liked the post. And then there is a paid version of Seesaw, but pretty much everything, all these endless possibilities of communication and organization that you can see are offered on the free version. So that's just a little bit about Seesaw. I hope that you try it out. Thanks.